Quick video to show you how to remove the old fluorescent lighting from your garage and replace with a new efficient LED system. And in the description of the video, I'll put links to the products that I used to do this swap. And these new lights are much brighter, less chance for getting bugs and other crud inside of them, and should last you a lifetime without having to change out the bulbs anymore. So here we got the old ballast that are bad, and then here's the power coming in. So we'll just rip all this stuff out and then hook up the new LEDs to this wire in the middle. When you get these things, all the plugs and the wires and the screws you need are inside the unit. Right in here. So here's the mounting screws and your plug for your connection. You take this and plug it into your black and white wires from your ceiling, attach this to your ground, and you can just plug it right in. One thing to remember, once you connect this up, you're got your hole here to put your wires through. You're going to want to tape this back up against this side so that the wires aren't blocking the light, because they'll really be noticeable when you get the light up. So either keep this tape or get you some duct tape so you can tape this back up once you got your wire connected. And here we go, all installed nice and bright. Come on real quick. And easy to do. These are really good price nowadays. Highly recommend upgrading your garage lights to LED. Hey, I hope this video helped. If it did, please give it a thumbs up, and that'll help other people find it as well. And look in the description of the video for links to the products. Have a great day.